So with my welder getting delivered in the next couple days, maybe next week, I'm going to start on my Harbor Freight welding table build. I'm going to throw these wheels on here. So I'll have casters, and then we'll build up as we go. But this is the first mod I'm doing to it. So I'm going to cut this nut off, bolt these on there, and I'll come back once I get them. Cut the nut off. Little paint protection. Grind other side. Hit it with a flap disc. Drill. Paint. Washer. Lock washer. Nut. Tighten. Repeat on all four sides. I can't get a wrench in there, so water pump pliers. Tighten. And roll. I'm gonna have to add a little bit more support if I get heavy stuff on here like axles, but I can lock them all. So lock all four. All right, subscribe for more.